Hey, everybody. Jeffrey Beamer here with your Pro Trader tips of the day. We are going to continue our series on just being consistent and also add today quick action. All right. This is a Delta Neutral breakout, our publication that we do around earnings. We're looking for stocks that make big pops around their earnings event. That's the trade that we're looking at today. This Delta Neutral breakout trade was trade ID 1360, sent out to our Delta Neutral breakout subscribers. The entry date was December 3rd. And essentially, the trade broke down like this. We were looking for a big move of 17%. This Footlocker typically is a big move, all right, a big mover, all right. Oftentimes, Footlocker can move 25% or more. So we were looking for either a straddle or strangle. Strangle was this trade that we chose, and we entered this here for 2 contracts at a debit of $350. All right. And we are looking for that breakout to go either above $28.50 on the high side or $20 on the low side. Stock was trading at the time at $24.12. And so let's see how the trade worked out. All right. So the exit was sent out the following day, right after earnings event. We found we had a very small profit here. The stock did gap down and was trading just below our lower break even of $20. It was trading at $19.65 when the alert went out. And this is where quick, swift action is important. And what we were looking for here is essentially if there was any strength whatsoever in the stock, that we would exit the trade. And if you look closely at the stock chart on the left, you'll see a little bit of a wick on the bottom of that candle, just below the E. You can see that red candle, and there's a little bit of a wick on the bottom. That was the strength we're talking about. The stock started to move off the bottom. So we sent out the alert for a quick exit, and that exit was $43 per contract, okay, which was $86 in total. And that $86 yielded a 12.3% return on capital in just one day. Okay, so not the return that we were looking for. Footlocker gap down only about, let's see what that number was once again, 18%. Okay, so we were looking for a bigger move. Definitely over 20% would have been nice, but it moved just 18%. We entered our trade and finally took our exit at $7.86. That left a $86 profit. Again, a 12.3% return. So being consistent, looking for the edge in our trades, and then taking quick, swift action is what allowed us to profit in this trade. Come back each and every week right here. We'll talk about more Pro Trader tips, and I will talk to you again soon. Have a great trading week. Take care.